Whoa.
400.
Off the floor, Boo.
500. Oh, ha! I never smacked the door. That's to make sure how you're doing. That's how he talks. It's weird. Ha!
Off my camera. I'm taking a...
Do it.
I want to
Just let
video.
me-
You're
Let
gonna...
me be in the video by myself. Yeah! Hi, stranger. You look familiar. You look
We're gonna go in the front door.
Ponzio Christmas tree. Okay, Carmen.
Carry that back end. Hold that. Pull it out. You come grab the front. Grab the top. Here, grab this side. Got it? 2 hands. All right, carry it in. No, we're gonna go in the front door.
Okay. We'll follow. Seriously, what was that for? Turn around. Now you're gonna go forward.
God, you guys are so strong.
Yeah, because we run a lot and exercise.
Yeah, careful on the sidewalk.
Carmen. Carmen.
No, don't run. Come on.
Now careful up the stairs.
Come on.
We fell for it. Not me.
Holly and Carmen. Papa doesn't have to carry the tree anymore.
Not so strong. Go.
Come on, Polly. Carmen, lift it up.
Lift it, lift it, lift it.
Go in the dining room with it, Polly. Turn. Carmen. All right, ready? Stop. Carmen, this way. Back it up.
Now I know what it's like.
I'm used to much larger trees, sorry. Okay, stop.
Stop.
Ready?
I'm gonna break that branch.
No, he's
I'm gonna trim it.
stand it up.
I'm not gonna trim it.
All right, Mama, we need water.
Okay, coming. Everyone smile. You've conquered the world.
Now I know what it's like. Ouch! Now I know what it's like when Papa does it with a bigger tree with one man. I got to break with my own self.